Let's delve into the differences between regular English and idiomatic English. Let's also explore why mastering idiomatic expressions can be highly beneficial for advanced English learners. Regular English versus idiomatic English. Regular English refers to straightforward, literal language where words are used according to their primary meanings. This form of English is clear and easy to understand, making it suitable for formal writing and basic communication. Idiomatic English, on the other hand, includes idioms, phrases or expressions whose meanings are not predictable from the usual meanings of their constituent elements. Idioms add color and expressiveness to the language, often conveying complex ideas in a succinct and memorable way. Advantages of using idiomatic English. 1. Expressiveness. Idioms often convey emotions and subtle nuances that literal language cannot. They add flavor to conversations and writing, making communication more engaging. 2. Cultural understanding. Idioms reflect cultural norms, values, and historical references, giving learners deeper insights into the culture of English-speaking countries. 3. Efficiency. Idiomatic expressions can succinctly express complex ideas, making communication more efficient. 4. Natural sounding. Using idioms makes language sound more natural and fluent, which can be particularly beneficial in social and professional contexts. 5. Humor and creativity. Idioms often include elements of humor and creativity, making interactions more enjoyable. Examples of regular English versus idiomatic English. 1. Regular English. He is very happy. Idiom. He is on cloud 9. 2. Regular English. It's raining heavily. Idiom. It's raining cats and dogs. 3. Regular English. She gets very nervous before giving a speech. Idiom. She gets butterflies in her stomach before giving a speech. 4. Regular English. Let's stop working for a while. Idiom. Let's call it a day. 5. Regular English. He made a huge mistake. Idiom. He dropped the ball. 6. Regular English. This project is very easy. Idiom. This project is a piece of cake. 7. Regular English. He revealed the secret. Idiom. He let the cat out of the bag. 8. Regular English. They left very quickly. Idiom. They left in a flash. 9. Regular English. I have other important tasks to do. Idiom. I have bigger fish to fry. 10. Regular English. He is very intelligent. Idiom. He is sharp as a tack. 11. Regular English. She quit her job. Idiom. She threw in the towel. 12. Regular English. They argued and then became friends again. Idiom. They kissed and made up. 13. Regular English. Don't tell anyone. Idiom. Keep it under wraps. 14. Regular English. She is very rich. Idiom. She is rolling in dough. 15. Regular English. I am extremely tired. Idiom. I am dead on my feet. 16. Regular English. He ignored her advice. Idiom. He turned a deaf ear to her advice. 17. Regular English. The test was very difficult. Idiom. The test was a tough nut to crack. 18. Regular English. He decided to abandon his plan. Idiom. He decided to throw in the towel. 19. Regular English. She feels very sad. Idiom. She feels down in the dumps. 20. Regular English. The situation is very confusing. Idiom. The situation is a can of worms. For advanced English learners, incorporating idiomatic expressions into your vocabulary can significantly enhance your language skills. Not only do idioms make your speech and writing more engaging and relatable, but they also help you connect more deeply with English-speaking cultures. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and lessons.